All right, a recap. Poet's Ledge, absolutely phenomenal spot. A majestic place. Waterfalls. The waterfalls were absolutely outstanding. They were breathtaking. The meth lab. We successfully made it past the meth lab. We have one more time to make it past back on the way to the truck. Route 32A, haunted Route 32. We have to walk on that again and survive that. However, the storm that I walked into is following us and we're heading back now. It's been an outstanding hike. The music is blasting in here. We are partying hard this morning. Excited for our adventure. We are heading to Poet's Ledge. And then maybe some waterfalls, I don't know. All right, we're at the trailhead. It's not raining so bad and it's kind of bright, but it seems like it's gonna rain on us all the time. I think I'm going up there. But we gotta do some road warrior miles right now. Sand and trucks are out. Scary. Watch out for the meth labs. We are on the long path, and this trail will take you down to New York City, or it could take you up to Albany. It's a very long path. So I forgot my sandwich. That sucks. Today we are in the Kaaterskill Clove area. We're walking into the clove. We're going up the long path. And our destination is Poet's Ledge. We're gonna have to hike up, and then we have to hike down a half a mile or so to get to a beautiful viewpoint of the whole clove. We're moving at a nice clip. The conditions are absolutely great. I do not have any spikes on, but I did bring them. I love going into these forests. Here we go. Nice and flat here. Beautiful trail, beautiful forest. Got some canopy from the rain a bit. The rain is the continual rain, nothing bad. Sweet hike, I like this trail, the long path. I may keep going to Albany. Tell me that doesn't look like a face. Standing spot right here. Look at that. It starts with these weird looking trees. Then you got a nice face on those rocks. Check out these stairs. Wow. This is so cool. It's a cool spot. Path is no joke. Sweet. But once we get to the reached elevation, we got to go down a little over a half mile to the ledge, the Poet's Ledge. And then we'll come back up, and then we'll head out to the waterfalls. Still hasn't stopped raining. This is just a stunning part of this trail. Look at this beautiful trail. This is amazing. What a great trail. Poet's Ledge, 0.47. Let's go bang it out. And then we'll come back and we'll go get those guys. We're doing it. Poet's Ledge, next stop. We're getting closer to them. Whoa! Okay. Almost just pulled every single muscle in the lower part of my body. I thought it was going to be a sloppy jalopy mess, but it's not totally bad. This is a cool area. This is the chill spot. Chill spot. All right, keep pushing. Great trail, great hike, great weather, great company. Whoa. That is awesome. That's incredible. That's incredible. For the first time, it feels like it is not raining. Feels like it stopped. Things are dripping from trees, which, whatever. The temperature is fabulous. There's zero snow on the ground. Hiking conditions, 12 out of 5. And there comes the rain. Just returned from Poet's Ledge, and it's an outstanding spot. Highly recommended. Just a very mystical place. Mystical. It looked like it with like the stuff coming up. Anywho, we're going to Viola Falls. It's this way. Where am I going? I don't even know where I'm going. This looks like the way. A little wet. Super wet conditions. Viola Falls. It's a pretty crazy spot. We're walking into a storm. It's always a smart thing to do. Walk into the storm. Okay. Here we are at Wildcat Ravine, and it looks kind of cool. Wow, that looks beautiful up there. Look at this place, pretty cool. know if I can get across it. Don't want wet foot. This is gorgeous. I'm soaked. The storm is picking up and I don't want to be trapped behind one of these things, not able to get back. But this is outstanding. Wildcat Gorge, as in gorgeous. As in gorgeous. I like that one. We're now walking away from the storm, which is a smarter thing to do. Beautiful. Mystic. Very mystical. We live in a magical place. We live in a magical place. Look at that. Speaking of magic, that's weird. Gotta get back before I get flash flooded, trapped in this place, stuck in the Kaaterskill Cove. Getting nearly dark. Creepy, creepy. Comes the storm that we're running from, chasing us. It's a cool looking knock. It's like a face. Cool. That's cool. Coolest rocks in the Catskills. That's cool. Weather's changing up on me. Not letting me go that easy. Can't wait to get off this road, jumping behind guardrails. We made it back.